There's the last few finishing touches to do to this build. We need to get the power button, the power slider, because before the GBC power slider was just a linear slider, and this little nudger acted as the on and off clickiness of it. But since we've got the button, since we've got the switch, we don't need this anymore, so we just chop that out. Literally, that's all that needs. You want to get your Game Boy cartridge or your fake Game Boy cartridge, glue your magnet into place, and then we need to get the case, get the shell, slide it where it wants to go, and then we're going to glue the other magnet in the place. This is basically just an empty space where the expansion port, the 2-player port used to be. So what we're going to do is get it in place, and then what you do is just put a bit of glue in the side here, just a little blob, and then what you do is kind of just throw it in, and it'll orientate it into the right orientation, because otherwise, like opposites attract with magnets. So you kind of just want it in the right place. Just line up your cartridge where you want it to sit. There you go. Just let it dry, and then that's it.